Welcome. Today we're tackling a really common and frustrating issue, the Gmail app black screen. If you've been staring at a blank screen instead of your emails, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to get things back on track. First, let's check your internet connection. A shaky or unstable connection can often be the culprit behind a black screen. On your device, head over to Settings and click on the network icon. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. If you're already connected, try disconnecting and reconnecting to refresh the connection. Sometimes that's all it takes. If the internet isn't the issue, the next thing to try is simply closing the Gmail app and reopening it. It sounds basic, but it can often resolve temporary glitches. Swipe the app away to close it completely, then tap the Gmail icon to launch it again. Still seeing black? Okay, let's try clearing the app's cache. This helps remove any temporary files that might be causing the problem. To do this on Android, go to your device's settings, then find the Apps section. Look for Gmail in the list of apps. Once you find it, tap on it, and then select Storage. You should see options to clear data and clear cache. First, choose Clear Cache and confirm the step. Clearing data is also an option, but clearing cache is often enough. Now, for a slightly more drastic step, let's restart your device. This can help clear out any background processes that might be interfering with the Gmail app. Simply power down your phone or tablet, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your device has restarted, open the Gmail app again. Hopefully, you'll see your inbox loading up as normal. If the black screen persists, consider updating the Gmail app. Head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Gmail, and if there's an update available, tap Update. App updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues like this. If you're still encountering the black screen after trying all these steps, the problem might be a bit more complex. In that case, you might want to check online forums or support pages for Gmail, or even reach out to Google's support team directly. I hope this guide helps you fix the Gmail black screen issue and gets you back to your emails in no time.